Now, I'm not a scientist by any stretch of the imagination, but someone was trying to explain to me through this bread and flour demonstration what soil is like where my neighborhood is, where my house is, and the farm across the street, across Route 412 there. It's still a farm. This flour represents the dirt under my house. You see, when they made the development, when they built the homes, they cleared all the land, leveled it, put streets down, foundations, driveways, and put grass there, but that grass we know doesn't hold anything. So this cup of water represents rain. This is the rain cloud. It's got holes in the bottom of it. I'm going to put a couple drops of this blue dye. That's 1 part per trillion of PFSAs, insecticides, herbicides, antibiotics that people wash down the toilet there. And when I put it there and when I put the rain there, you'll see what happens. Oh, and that pencil, that represents the trees. My tree. You know, where the weatherman says, oh, the ground's saturated, and the wind and the rain came and it blew over. Did you ever look under the tree where it fell out? The tree never had roots that goes down. The roots go this way because there's no real soil for the roots to go unless it's out in the farm where it does. So, get close. Watch this. Two drops. Here comes the rain. Now what do you see happening? A little bit more rain. It's busting out. It's eroding the banks. So there was some that was saved. The tree's still standing, but it all overflowed the banks, eroded. This is erosion. You actually can see this as you drive around. But really importantly, if you watch, I'm going to knock the tree down now, I know, but it's dry. There's nothing there. The tree roots really didn't go down far. So, now the difference between the bread, let me wash my hands, come right. Now the bread, which has gone through rising yeast with the yeast, changed the structure of the flour, and it's made it more like a soil sponge. So we'll put a couple drops of the chemicals, man-made, 3 this time, same amount of rainwater. And what do you see? Oh, look, it did. Well, it didn't hold all the chemicals. Did wash through. And so much for that. Huh. All right. Take 2. Oh, wait a minute. You know, I left it like this. I walked away and I came back to clean up. And the bread absorbed all the water and the chemicals. So there. That's the way it was supposed to go. A little bit of patience.